The cookies are not spreading out and you feel heartbroken. Well, I've got you covered. Using a viral cookie method, I'll show you how to make your cookies spread out like this. This method is a 2-minute fix, and by the end of this video that you are watching, you know how to fix it fast. Plus, I'll show you how to make one of my favorite cookie recipes, vegan chocolate chip cookie, right here. I'm Chef Caleb, and if you're new here, welcome. Share all your wonderful comments in the comment section below. Let's get started.
This will give your taste bud those happy feelings.
First, you need to have a medium to big bowl. Pour in 1 cup of vegan butter.
Then you want to put in 1 cup of cane sugar and 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Whisker or hand mixer.
We use a combination of brown sugar and cane sugar because brown sugar has molasses and cane sugar doesn't. Molasses will make your cookies chewier. Whisk it together until it becomes a smooth texture. The mixture should look like a little fluff up and bigger than before. It should take around 5 to 7 minutes on medium to high speed. To prevent your mixture from overheating, turn off your mixture every 2 to 3 minutes and use a spatula to scrape the butter and sugar off the side of the bowl so that you can mix it all together. After you have completed mixing the butter and sugar together, pour in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 3 tablespoons of almond milk. Whisk it again until it's all combined together well. Pour in half a teaspoon of baking soda and powder and 1/8 teaspoon of salt with 1 cup of all-purpose flour. I always make cookies and forget to put the baking powder and baking soda when I put the flour in, so don't make that mistake. Pour in the next cup of all-purpose flour. When you're mixing it, you might find that your mixture is slowing down when mixing it together. Mix it little by little. You don't need to mix everything perfect, as we'll do that later. Use a spatula to scrape down the sides.
Before we move on with the recipe, make sure to smash that like button if you enjoyed this video. Show respect to people who will need help just like you. It only takes 15 seconds, so go ahead and do it. Okay, now that we've done that, let's put in our chocolate chip. We use our spatula and mix it all together. We add semi-sweet chocolate chips and we also add dark chocolate. The reason we add dark chocolate is so that it will help balance out the sweetness. The dark chocolate has no sugar in it, so it is bitter. Okay, we're gonna put this in the fridge for 12 to 24 hours. Now wait. I hear some of you guys are saying, it's too long, or I wanna see the results and taste it. Well, we got a solution for you. Just put this in the fridge for 30 minutes and then pop it in the oven to bake. The longer you leave this, the better it will taste. So let's go and put this in the fridge and we'll be back in 24 hours.
It's been 26 hours and we're ready to start. And I know I said 24, but we was filming another recipe coming up soon.
Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once that is preheating, we're going to scoop out some cookie dough with our ice cream scooper, aka cookie scooper. So let's get started. Beautiful, this cookie dough is amazing. So this tray could fit approximately 6 cookies on it, and we're making medium to big size cookies here. Continue watching because the secret, the trick to make these cookies spread out will be coming up soon. Okay, now that we have got our cookies scooped out, we're gonna transfer them into the oven. Here it goes! cookies for 15 to 17 minutes and bake the small cookies for 13 to 15 minutes. We'll see you when it's finished. The cookies still have 3 minutes to bake, but here's the method I promised you in the beginning of this video. With an oven glove, safety first. Halfway pull the tray out of the oven, and as you can see here, I did this, so this is already done. Take that out. But this I still have to do. Looking good. Looking good. Then we're gonna bang it. Now you can bang it on this oven tray, or you can bang it on the stove or a metal sink. But we get and we're gonna just leave it in to bake for a few more minutes, and then we will take it out. Okay, it's time for the taste test, and we have Chef Eliza's here.
Hi.
Who's gonna taste
Hi,
our
everyone.
cookies.
Okay.
You go first.
Okay, I'm gonna take this one.
That looks good. Take this one.
Okay. It smells lovely. Your cooking is amazing. Drink some milk. Wow, this cookie is definitely worth a try. Just this cookie alone, man, make this recipe. This will give your taste bud those happy feelings.
This cookie is mind-blowing. It's perfectly sweetened, crisp on the outside and on the edges, and chewy in the middle. That's how cookies are supposed to be, and they are flat. And by the way, if you enjoyed that I showed you, make sure to bang that like button. I will leave the recipe in the description below, and I'll leave a link to go and check it. Making these cookies sure takes some time, but in the end, it's definitely worth it. Cookies and milk goes well, which is why you should watch this video right over here to learn how to make fresh, homemade almond milk. We'll see you next time. Bye!
Gives it a really good look.